Hi guys, this is your girl Tanisha now, and guys, guess what? We are at 5,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful, guys, and to celebrate, I cooked rice with sauce. I didn't show you guys the process because I already made it, and if you want to see, just go to our link below. And thank you for the I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. God bless you all, and thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And I want to say a prayer for you guys. Amen. Amen. Lord, bless my mommy, bless my daddy, bless my family, bless the people who subscribe to me, bless everybody in this world, bless the God, bless Jesus, bless everyone in this world, bless the people who subscribe to me, bless the people who love me, bless the people who subscribe to my channel, bless the people who subscribe. Lord, I thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I want to get to 6,000. So please just subscribe to my channel. I'm very grateful. Amen. Thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to do a dance for you guys. Wait. They don't love me like I love you like that. Wait. They don't love me like I love you like that. Wait. They don't love me like I love you. Thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you. And you guys are cool. Thank you for 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. Attitude. Walk off. Attitude. Walk off. Attitude. Walk off. So your turn. It's your turn. Alright, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like and follow. This is so good news. And I want to get to 6,000 subscribers. So please, guys, if you're watching right now, if you're joining our YouTube channel right now, don't forget to like and follow. Yeah. I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you for all those who subscribe right now. And yeah, I'm going to say a prayer. Amen. Amen. God bless my fans, bless me, bless for 5,000 subscribers. I want to get to 6,000 subscribers, oh Lord. Lord, bless all my followers to subscribe to my channel. Bless me, bless my family, bless this food, bless everyone in this world. Amen. You guys, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful, guys. You might be watching me. I don't wanna be that. So grateful. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to let's go. Peace.